Ever wondered how your garden could thrive without resorting to harmful chemicals? Welcome to the world of organic gardening, where nature is your ally. First up, the backbone of this method, building healthy soil. It's about more than just dirt. It's an ecosystem teeming with life. Feed it with compost and organic matter and watch your garden flourish. Next, let's talk companion planting. Certain plants, when grown together, help each other grow better. Marigolds with tomatoes, for instance, can deter pests and enhance growth. Speaking of pests, in organic gardening, we don't fight them, we manage them. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings that naturally control harmful pests. Finally, composting and recycling. Turn your kitchen scraps into black gold for your garden. It nourishes your plants and reduces waste. A win-win. So why go organic? It's healthier for you, better for the environment, and honestly, it just feels good to work with nature. Embrace the art of organic gardening. Your backyard and the planet will thank you.